Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Luna Classic update. Today, Luna Classic again back with its manipulation, which is not really good to see because previously I tried to take a trade and I also tried to give it to my Discord members for free. I thought this was going to be a good freebie. So this was the reason why we ended up coming above this inverse head and shoulder, break to the upside, retest, successful retest, and then eventually you were trying to move back up again, but boom, came down. So this manipulation happens time to time again, but there was one point where we were successful, this time we're not. So yeah, whatever. um, One more thing is probably we can try to navigate through some resistances here. Perhaps this is something that I didn't actually see because uh, we had one rejection and a move down, rejection and a move down here, rejection again and a rejection again, and that's the reason why probably you failed to have this inverted and shoulder to push to the upside, and it was because of that one little bit of resistance up there. Now, thing is, on the 1 hour time frame, there is a support line right now, and this is where previously you're bouncing off. So what I'm going to say is the following: probably you're looking for that support right here, and if you extend the support line right over here, it actually extends until 5th of April. So this consolidation, which is a little bit boring right now, is going to continue for the next 6-7 days. So in the next 6-7 days, or within 6-7 days, we should see a break. Now if you break down, then perhaps you're going to be looking at one more push to the downside, and we may see a price of 13,000 one more time, and that can actually be a good entry if it does happen. And another thing is, if things go good, the bulls actually gain consciousness one more time, then break above, and then we move up to 20,000, and that's going to be another push up of nearly 27%. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.